very good morning to all. Myself, Lisha Agarwal, and I am from St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School. And I'm very happy to announce that I've got the first rank, first position in the MBOS merit list 2025. And it is a very overwhelming moment for me. I mean, I'm still in shock. I couldn't believe my eyes when I submitted my roll number and saw my results. It was a really shocking moment for me. I was like, it's me who got 97. So I told my mom, and we both were just like in surprise for like a moment or two. We were like, is this really? Because since I entered class 10, I always vision myself that next year I will be giving the exam, and one day the results will come and I'll see myself in the MBOS top 20. And that dream coming true is it's something very overwhelming. Even right now, I have been just like tears shown from my eyes from that time, and I'm like, control, this is happening for real. I was telling myself, my heart, my brain is like, this is true. And I want to give all my thanks to my teachers, be it my school teachers and my tuition teachers, because without their support this would never be possible. And even my family, they have supported me through my dark times. I am a very nervous person, so they were there for me, telling me that everything will be fine. All thanks to everyone who were there for me in this journey. It's not a journey of my own, it is a journey of my school teachers, my tuition teachers, me, my friends, my family. So all thanks to them and St. Margaret's. Thank you is not enough for that, how much that school has given me. And the teachers, their teaching, not only in school, they have taught me everything. So all thanks to St. Margaret's, because this wouldn't be possible without them, without the teachers, without our principal. So all thanks to them. I'm really, really grateful, and I'm really overwhelmed right now. It's a dream come true, and I'm really, really happy. Thank you, everyone. And I just want to say, if you vision something, put all your hard work, be concentrated, then you can also achieve. That is my advice to the upcoming batches. You don't need to be scared, you don't need to be nervous. Just take it easy, go with the flow, just be consistent. Consistency is the key, as they always say. So I'll just say that participate in everything. Don't forget extracurricular activities. That is also extremely important. But be consistent, and that is the only way. Take your studies, don't take it as a hectic duty you have to perform. Please just be happy, do whatever you do in a happy way, study nicely, gain knowledge. Don't just memorize things. And yeah, that is the only thing. Thank you so much, everyone, for your support, for your everything. And I'm really grateful to St. Margaret's, the teachers, my tuition teachers, who really helped me through this journey. Thank you, everyone.